technically, we woke up at 5 a.m. We're on mountain time, so.
Oh, that's right.
Our bodies are not.
But also, technically, we went to sleep at about 11:15.
Okay, so it's still short sleep.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning. First day in Colorado after our short night at this hotel, just to stop off before we go up to the mountains. We're gonna go get some coffee, get some breakfast, and hit the road.
We got coffee from this place called Sonder. Of course, he got a chai, and I actually got drip coffee. And this is actually the first time I'm having coffee black because the coffee's that good.
And now we are on our way up to Keystone. First day of snowboarding in Colorado. Made it to Keystone. I guess we're, I don't know where we are. Yeah, we'll have to figure it out. Let's get up on the mountain.
Yeah.
Sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
I'm not commuting to work, I'm not working.
Yeah. All our reminders. Grab food from fridge. Commute to work. All right.
No.
Let's get ready and go.
Bye.